Hi, this is Mr. Shumway. This video clip explains how to solve systems of equations from stories. I'll give you two different examples. Let's say on Monday you wash 4 windows and vacuum 10 rooms and get paid a total of $36. On Tuesday you wash 6 windows and vacuum 3 rooms and get paid a total of $30. How much do you get paid for each window you wash? So we need to write down an equation for Monday. 4 windows, 10 rooms. Should I do a capital R to tell a little better what that is? And the equals $36. The other equation is 6 windows plus 3 rooms, $30. Okay, do 10 and 4 divide evenly? No, so let's start on the equation on the right. 3 and 6 do. Well, let's subtract the one with the larger coefficient from each side. So 3r equals 30 minus 6w. Well, 3 rooms, for 3 rooms I would get $30 minus 6 of whatever a window is worth. But if I want to know for 1 room, I take 1/3 of that, and 1 room I get paid $10 minus whatever I get paid for 2 windows. So now I can rewrite this one over here as 4w plus 10. Instead of r, I will put 10 minus 2w equals 36. 10 times 10 is 100. 10 times -2 is -2, -20w. So I'll put a plus and 36. So I'm going to combine like terms, and I get -16w plus 100 equals 36 plus 6. Whoops, never mind. Let's subtract 100 from each side. So -16w equals -64. 16 goes into 64 4 times. So for a window I get paid $4. Well, for a room I get paid 10 minus 2 of those. So for a room I get paid $2. Do those numbers work in the original equation? Well, 4 windows at $4 each would be 16. 10 rooms at $2 each would be 20. Yeah, that adds up to 36. 6 windows at 4 would be 24. 3 rooms at 2 would be 6. 24 plus 6, yeah, that's 30. Another example would be 2 different teachers give assignments and tests. Each assignment and each test have the same points possible for both teachers. Mrs. Kais gives 12 assignments and 3 tests for a total points possible of 192. Mrs. Blake gives 15 assignments and 4 tests for total points possible of 248. How much is an assignment worth? Well, let's do the same thing. Let's write 2 equations. 12 assignments, 3 tests, 192. 15 assignments, 4 tests, 248. Well, 15 and 4 do not divide evenly, but 3 and 12 do. So let's start there. Let's subtract 12 assignments from each side. So 3 tests is worth 192 minus 12 assignments. 1 test is worth 1/3 of that. So 1 test is worth 64 minus 4 assignment score points. So now I'm going to rewrite this one over here, but instead of T, I'll put 64 minus 4A. "15 assignments plus 4, 64 minus 4A. So 15A plus 26 times 4 is 240. 4 times 4 is 16. 256 minus 16A equals 248. Combining like terms. 15 minus 16 is -1, so -1A, or just -A, plus 256 equals 248. Solving. So -A equals -8. So I can divide each one by -1. A equals 8. So an assignment is worth 8 points. The test is worth 64 minus 4 of those. Four times 8 is 32. So a test is worth 32. We can plug those back in and check them. 15 assignments at 8 each. 10 times 8 is 80. 5 times 8 is 40, so that's 120. 4 tests at 32. 4 times 3 is 1. Okay, 4 times 30 is 120. 128. Add those together. Do I get 248? Yes. 12 assignments at 8. 96. 3 tests at 32 would be 96. 96 plus 96 is that 192? Yes. Checks out. So we solved system of equations from stories.